Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we're going to have Module 5, Eating Right, lesson title quiz, student book page 55, workbook page 47. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Talk about different types of food. 2. Use some, any, many, and much in English correctly. Objective 1. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about different types of food. Student book, exercise 1, page 55. We have a bar of a chocolate, a cup of tea, a glass of water, a bowl of cereal, a bottle of water, and sweets. We have meal and snack. Meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner are the three basic meals of the day. So meal means the food that you eat on an occasion. Snack, when I am hungry, my favorite snack is some fresh fruit. So snack means a small amount of food. We have healthy. Eating lots of fruit and vegetables is very healthy. Healthy means good for your body. Workbook exercise 1, page 47. Read and match. Number 1. A bar of chocolate. D. Now I'll give you half a minute to do the rest. Yes. 2. A cup of C. Tea. 3. A bowl of B. Cereal. 4. A glass of A. Water. 5. A bottle of E. Milk. Objective 2. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use some, any, many, and much in English correctly. Before we start with the first objective, let's see the difference between the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now, countable nouns are nouns we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. For example, one girl, two girls, a man, many men. Uncountable nouns are nouns we cannot count using numbers. Uncountable nouns are used with a singular verb. They usually don't have a plural form. Examples: tea, water, knowledge, fear, love, money. We can't say, for example, teas. Now, before we start with the quantifiers, let's see what does it mean, the word quantifier. What does it mean? Yes, a quantifier is a word or a phrase which is used before a noun to tell us about the amount of something. For example, we have some, many, a lot of, and a few, etc. Example 1. I went to the supermarket to buy some pens and water. 2. Would you like some biscuits and juice? 3. Is there any orange juice in the fridge? No, there isn't any orange juice. 4. Are there any biscuits on the table? No, there aren't any biscuits. 5. How many books do you have? 6. I don't have many books. 7. How much sugar do you have? 8. I don't have much sugar. 1. I went to the supermarket to buy some pens and water. First of all, look at this sentence. Is it an affirmative sentence or negative sentence? Yes, it is an affirmative sentence. Now look at the words pens and water. Pens is plural countable noun, while water is uncountable noun. So we use some before plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. 2. Would you like some biscuits and juice? What is this? Excellent. This is an offer. Now look at biscuits and juice. Biscuits is plural countable noun, and juice is uncountable noun. So we use some with offers before plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. 3. Is there any orange juice in the fridge? No, there is not any orange juice. Look at this one. Is it a sentence? No, it is a question. And what about this one? Now this one is a negative sentence. Now look at orange juice. Orange juice is uncountable noun. So we use any with negative sentences and with the questions before uncountable nouns. 4. Are there any biscuits on the table? No, there are not any biscuits. Now this is a question and this is a negative sentence. Biscuits is plural countable noun. So we use any with negative sentences and the questions before plural countable nouns. 5. How many books do you have? Now this is a question. Books is a plural countable noun. So we use how many with plural countable nouns. 6. I don't have many books. This is a negative sentence. So we use many with plural countable nouns in case we have negative sentences. 7. How much sugar do you have? Now this is a question. Sugar is an uncountable noun. So we use how much plus uncountable nouns. 8. I don't have much sugar. This is a negative sentence. So we use much plus uncountable nouns. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, I have some friends. 2, how much bread is left. 3, we didn't buy any coffee. 4, there are many cars in the street. Now give me a sentence or a question using some or any or much or many. Yes. Do you have any books? Now to end everything, let's answer this question. Choose the correct answer. Is there, yes, any water in the bottle? 2, there is some chocolate in the cake. 3, there aren't any cups of tea on the table. 4, how many bottles of milk do you drink every day? Your homework is to go to your workbook exercise 2 on page 47. Remember to go to the grammar reference section on your notebook page 73. Thank you very much.